Alright, so we're going to do a join coding exercise in Zybooks. So on the left side I have the instructions, on the right side I have our code. So if we look here, it's written to perform an inner join. First we need to run the SQL and verify the result table does not include songs with null genres or genres that are not associated with songs. So let's go ahead and run this first. So we get on the song side, we don't see any nulls, that's good. On the genre side, we don't see any nulls. So now we know this works, even though it shouldn't, because this right here doesn't look like it was intentional, so I'm going to fix that. Although that does not change your results at all, but it does not in the real world. So first it says in the create table statement for song, rename genre code to code. Modify the select statement to work with the new name. So if we're going to rename genre code to code in the song table, let's look at this. So this is what we want to rename. So I'm going to change genre code to code. Now because I changed that, I also need to change this foreign key. This foreign key is not called genre code anymore, it's called code. This means foreign key code. So that means the code column is a foreign key. Now here we have references genre code. What this means is when references genre, it means it's referencing the genre table. And what's in the parentheses is the column it's referencing. So if we go to the genre table, we look for a column named code. And here it is, right here, which is also the primary key. And as we know, a foreign key must reference a primary key. So, now that we've changed the name, we need to modify the select statement to work with the new name. So let's look at this statement. So we're going to join the song table to the song table and the genre table are going to be joined. But this on does not work because we changed the name of genre code. So what we're going to do is this is going to be a prefix. So we do genre dot code, right? And when we do genre dot code, this means that we're doing this genre references the table called genre, and then we have dot code. And this code is a column, refers to a column in the genre table. So that's this code. That's the genre table and the column code. And then we want it to match, song and genre. And so this other part of it needs to have something to do with song, because that's what's being matched. So let's look at the song table. So we have a column called code, but because we have multiple columns called code, we need a prefix. So we're going to add song.code. And again, what this means is song table and the code column from the song table. So song, the table song, and then code, the column in song that's called code. Run the SQL and verify the result table is unchanged. So let's see if we get the same as we did before. There we go. On this side we have the song table, and on this side we have the genre table being interjoined. So, step 2, modify the select statement to perform a left join. Run the SQL and verify the result table includes songs with null genre. So all we're going to do is change inner to left. and then we're going to run the code. So here on the song side, like look, the song You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift does not have a genre. It's null. Old Town Road by Lil Nas also doesn't have a genre. Verify the result table includes songs with non-genre. We have verified that. Now modify the select statement to perform a right join. Okay, so I'm going to do a right join. And it wants us to verify that the result table includes genres that are not associated with any songs. So what that means is, let's look at the classical genre. There's no songs associated with the classical genre. No songs associated with the drone genre. And same thing with techno. So we verified that. Then we modified the select statement to form a cross.